So let's go ahead and unbox this and see how it looks like once installed. Here how the safe is packaged. It's not that heavy, but definitely very durable. And it uses 2 AAA batteries, so it should last a long time. And again, it's for biometrics version only, using your fingerprint. This is how you slide it in. So it just slides right in just like this, very easy. And that's how it looks like inside. You still can have the tray on top, but now you have a actual safe in here. Okay, going to place this cap back on to have a clean look. Lines up just like that. Wow. And they do provide you with these additional screw in case you want to screw this safe down into the actual center console. If you're wondering if there's a cutout for the 120 outlet, yes, there's an opening right there, and you can use your actual plug to plug in. So there's a side opening there, and there you have it. I'm not sure you can see it. Access there.